Like many of you, I'm trying to figure out how to build a safe retirement, especially after my recent job loss and divorce. I'm not a financial advisor, everything I share is purely educational, but I want to share what I've learned so far and take you on this journey with me. One of the first things I've discovered is how dangerous it can be to rely only on a savings account. Let me show you here in my Google Sheet. On the left, I tracked a savings account over 10 years with a very low interest rate, and on the right, you can see the effect of inflation. Even though the balance grows slightly, your purchasing power actually decreases. This was my very first big aha moment. Just saving is not enough to protect your future. You can download a free copy of this sheet in the description and try it with your own numbers. So what am I doing about it? Here are some key lessons I've learned so far. One, diversification is key. Spreading investments across different assets reduces risks. Two, dividends matter. They can provide stable income even if markets fluctuate. And three, bonds traditionally add stability, but today many bonds have lost value. So I don't focus on them right now. Instead, I look at other stable income sources like dividend stocks and defensive sectors. 4. Inflation is real. Your investments need to grow faster than prices or you lose purchasing power. Living in Europe, there are some extra points to consider. ETFs domiciled in Ireland are often more tax efficient than others. We don't have the same tax benefits as in the US, so fees and taxes matter a lot. Platforms like the Hero or interactive brokers are practical for building a diversified portfolio. This is how I've started my own portfolio. A few simple ETFs and dividend-paying stocks, plus a small cash buffer, always keeping an eye on costs and taxes. Here's how I've started step by step. I chose 3 to 5 core positions to keep things simple. I invest a fixed amount every month. This is called dollar cost averaging. I track everything in my Google Sheet so I can see how my portfolio grows and adjust if needed. Even small consistent steps make a big difference over time. I'm still learning and know I'll make mistakes along the way, but I believe that by sharing what I discover, we can all move closer to financial independence and a safer retirement. In my next video, I will share how I further diversified my portfolio. If you'd like to start yourself, grab the free interactive Google Sheet in the description, plug in your own numbers, and see the difference between saving and investing. And if you're on this journey too, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. I'd love to learn together with you.